Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. Welcome back once again. Today we are going to make a simple Sindhi breakfast, Chehri Puri. Chehri means namkeen. So this namkeen puri, we just only add little bit of cumin seeds and freshly crushed black pepper while kneading the dough. And these tiny crispy puris are served with curd and pickle. If you feel the puris are heavy for breakfast, you can have it as a brunch. It makes a nice and filling brunch also. So let's get started. For the puris, we have taken whole wheat flour 1 cup, ghee or clarified butter 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper, and oil for frying. Let's proceed with the recipe. Transfer the flour into a larger platter for kneading. Add the crushed black pepper. According to your preference, you may add less or more, that depends on you. Salt to taste. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. 1 tablespoon is quite sufficient for 1 cup of flour. Now with your fingers, give a good mix. Everything should be mixed well. The more you mix, they say, the better texture of the puris you are going to get. It's the warmth of the hand that does the trick. Once this is done, add water little by little and knead the dough. Better to add little because we need a perfect consistency. It should not be too firm and not too soft also. Now this is done. This is how it should be. Gather the dough and cover it until the oil is hot. We need to rest it only for 5 minutes, not more, because if you rest it more, the salt leaves out the water and the dough becomes very soft. We are going to roll it out with the help of little oil, not the flour. The flour tends to spoil the oil when you fry. So applying little oil is a better option. Divide the dough into smaller portions depending on the size of the puris you want to make. Apply little oil with a finger and roll the puri. I like smaller puris. You can make them larger if you like. From this dough we get small size 10 puris. If you make them larger, you might get 7 or 8. It's easier when you roll out all the puris and then fry them at a time. Make sure you keep them separately and not one on top of the other. They might stick. This way, roll out all the puris. Now place a pan on the gas and pour oil. It's better to take a smaller pan as we are going to fry 1 puri at a time. That's because we want to puff it up well. Now the oil is hot. Slide in 1 puri. Once the puri comes to the surface, with the help of the ladle, give it a gentle push on the edges and then pour little oil on top with the ladle. This is the tip for puffing up the puri. Fry it to the texture and color you like. Some prefer it whitish, but I like my puris golden brown, crispy texture. Turn it a couple of times so that it gets fried evenly on both the sides. Lovely, it's puffed up so well. Now remove it on a absorbent paper and repeat the process. Fry all the puris in the same way, giving it a gentle push and then pouring little oil over it. And you can see this one is also puffed up very well. These are all the tips we learned from our mothers and grandmothers. Lovely. Remove it, and now you can continue frying all the puris like this. We are done with the puris. All of them are nice and crispy. You can see the texture, lovely texture. All are puffed up. They don't even look oily. Enjoy the crispy hot puris with a pickle of your choice, fried papad and yogurt. This makes a complete breakfast. Usually we have this on Sunday morning for breakfast or brunch. Another popular breakfast is Dal Pakwan. Check out the link also. I'm sharing it in the I button and description box. That's also a very popular one. So friends, make and enjoy these pepper cumin puris, what we call as Chehri Puri. Do share the feedback, how you like them. It's a simple but delicious breakfast. Don't they look so inviting? Nicely puffed up crispy puris. Really irresistible. Sometimes I even fry them like matris, flat and crispy, and enjoy them with tea. I don't make them fluffy. Friends, if you are liking my recipes, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Here are some more videos from the archives. You can check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you soon with another recipe.